Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Nestled on Mount Salus Road in the cool hills of Smokey Vale, Kingston, is this contemporary home sitting on over quarter acre or approximately 15,886 square feet of well-fruited land. This fully solar-powered structure accommodates 6 ensuite bedrooms with step-out balconies, 2 additional bedrooms, and helpers' quarters. Being off-grid, you will freely utilize the air-conditioned units fitted throughout the house on those warm summer days. Spread over 3 levels including basement, this home is made complete with an enclosed 2-car garage, 2 upper level terraces that will provide you with additional space for recreation and entertainment. Your new escape will only be 10 minutes away from major retail outlets. Other features of this house includes porcelain tile, garden area, water tank, water heater, grilled, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, family oriented, private setting, view of the ocean and the city. The current price of this house is US 890,000 or Jamaican $140.5 million. Now, let's take a look at this beautiful home and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.